So basically, guys, so that's going in. Yeah. Yeah. All right. What's going on? Going through. Yeah. And then what we're going to do now is put this on. Give us an idea with the top where we're going to put the hole. Okay. So do that like that. And it's telling me that the hole. Don't move, guys. Don't move. Hole to be there. So about there. There. Yeah. And there. Yeah. And those are the three places I need the hole. You see them?
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna cut this pipe. We marked it there, didn't we? So someone can zoom in so we can see. Alright.
Hear that? We start recording with that beat. Hear that?
So we got your view anyway.
Alright, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys.
Straight off.
Look at that, huh? Right.
Don't need the file to fire on.
So we're gonna shove this in and let's get some wall plug outside and yeah. So we need that too. We need that, and we need some wall plug. And we need screws, don't we?
Alright. Yeah. To the wall.
Shove that in, yeah. Okay, and then check this out. One more. Yeah? Guys, come. Alright, you know, what? Because it doesn't there. Okay, not to worry.
It's got to blow it through.
Water gonna just flush that through, doesn't matter. Right, so I'm gonna turn this off. Everybody get the camera. I'm gonna turn the main tap off, right? Okay, so leave the tap running. Run the cold.
One sec, cold.
Cold water, is it running? It's running. Stop now.
Off, yeah.
Okay, right. So what we're gonna do then, guys. We're gonna go through from this one here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so right guys, I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna cut this and put that back. Yeah? Only because we need control this water. If there's emergency, we need that sort of control. And we don't want to take that away from Antipalm, yeah? So we're gonna cut this. We're gonna cut this. And we got
Yo, like man, you did a rubbish job. More like.
right, so that one. Yeah? Alright, so what we're gonna do then, we're gonna take this off. What is this I got? Here's the plan. We got this, which is good news, yeah? So we don't need to stress. What we're gonna do now, I need to cut it in two. So we need to cut this in two, guys. Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
About there. I'm gonna go that way. Yeah? Right, so here's the plan.
That's basically the old piece.
Alright, so that's now. We need the olive. Let's call it olive. I'll go on there. No, sorry. I'll go. Olive go behind there. Yeah? And that now goes
On there.
and then tighten up. Yeah? So the olive, what happened? It kind of clamp it and crush. You can't take that off. Yeah. And go on that. So we now need to do the same thing with the olive. So that goes up there like so. That goes there like so. That goes. Yeah. We'll tighten this up. I'm gonna do that. Is tighten this up. Hmm? Okay. You got it? The board chop off and all that rubbish. Come on, if you do things something good.
Over that side. On that side.
Alright, so we're putting this on now. Alright, Jan, you start recording as well, because I've got a funny feeling I have to use your footage as well, because we don't want to do the video and I don't want to get real cheesed off. Like, flipping on this guy. I know I should get both of them recorded. Alright.
You won't ever get that with me there, come on.
Well, let's see.
We'll see.
Let's see, that's a good video. Right, so olive on here. What are we doing today? What are we doing?
Good.
Come on then. Right, so that goes on there, like that, yeah? Yeah? Here we go. That make sense? There we go. So you can still access that, right? Okay, so now, washing machine. That now, yeah? My pipe needs to be there. It's washing machine pipe. So, I need to take this off. There you are. See you guys. Right, so this is it now. So we need to take this off, guys. Yeah? I'm going to take this out. There we go. Yeah? Steel different, man. Couple steel. Alright guys, get it? I'm wondering if I should make that short here. Cause the hose pipe is it's coming down a bit.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Unless you take it out and put it through the bottom over.
Huh?
So let's put the pipe down through the bottom. See the hole there at the bottom where the main valve is. You put it through, put the Wattman pipe through there and then the wash machine pipe through there and then bring it up. Because then it's not dipping no more, you know what I mean?
Yeah, let's take some of this off. Why not? Just take a bit off it, man. Yeah? About there.
You have to take it out to do all that.
Nah. Yeah? Dirt. Oh. Okay, right. Olive is in there. Make sure. Okay. You see? And it open there. And then Alright guys, so I need to order now. Okay, alright. Yeah? I think that one like that. Yeah, guys? That's it. Then we can put the top on now. Oh, well. No, can't put the top on. Not finished yet. Yeah? Alright guys, so make sure you get this turned off. Turn that off. And then, see that goes there, yeah? That goes there.
Same as a 4 olive plant.
Yeah, olive on. Same principle. Same principle, guys. You know? How we doing? You with us?
Yeah, with us.
Okay. Oh, look at. Now, goes on to this. Get so, everybody got the. Let's know. Hope we can get video from it. Hopefully. Does it?
No, as long as I know.
Okay. Alright guys, so give me that drainage thing that we took off. Oh, sorry. That you know the drainage pipe. Alright, can turn this on anyway. Yeah?
Pause it.
Yeah, we're gonna turn this on, you know. Yeah?
You wasn't going right through it until you told that.
Yeah.
You have to put it on that.
Absolutely correct. You're absolutely correct. Yeah? So screwing that way, don't it?
So,
Yeah, so make sure. Tape is that way. Okay? Yeah? Oh, shit. I was doing that. I did it wrong way.
You have to at least right tight.
Oh, I did it wrong, you know, guys. Do it wrong.
so it's got some fresh tape in it.
Go on, get my next tape. Yeah, let's get my next tape. Got it? Ah! It wouldn't happen. I was trying to avoid that. But anyway, that's it. Okay. I like this guy's up. Yeah? Oh.
Alright, my phone.
No wrong with you.
Hello.
Why is that leaking? Okay. Turn it off.
Yeah, just turn it off.
Right, it doesn't like this washer. Right. Doesn't matter. That's good news is. Right, so this is kind of leaking, so we're going to sort this out. Don't know why. It's back on the same place. I've not. Let's work it out. It might be the washer thing that in properly. Did fall out, remember? Apart from that, everything is working. Look. Get a video of that, guys. Nothing leaking there. So I'll take this off for now. Yeah, so look. A video of that, guys. Nothing leaking. Yeah, get a video of that. Not leaking. And then let's test the outside. That's supposed to be around here. Yeah? Ready? There you go, guys. Short pummel then. Short pummel before we move on to the next one. Oh, should we finish?
Yeah.
Right, let's just start. Alright guys, so it's not leaking, is it?